Hi, this is Jill from Young at Heart Designs. Today I'm going to be using the Angelic Tapers Mold from IOD to create a patina look on the angel tapers. So what I did first is I created my casting from mix to mold, and it is more of a plaster type of base, so you do have to be a little bit careful because they are, breakable. And I used the E6000 to create a front and a back and glue them together using a jewelry bail at the very tip top. I got these from Amazon, and they have a little heart. If you just put in jewelry bail with heart, you'll probably come up with several different designs. But glued those together with the E6000, and once those were dry, I spray painted them outside with this gold spray paint. And I chose to do this. I could have used, acrylic paint or whatever, but I had this and thought it would be a quicker way to get it all done. Next, what I did is I got out my Sweet Pickens milk paint in the color, I can't remember what color it was, but I pointed it out. I think Summer Cottage. Anyway, and mixed up just about a tablespoon worth of that, and tried it out and gave it a good coating front and back of the milk paint. And then once those are covered in the milk paint on both sides, then I take a paper towel and just slightly dampened and wipe that back some. So what's happening is that milk paint is getting down into the grooves of the deep part of the casting, and when you wipe it back, the gold shows through a little bit. So gives it an aged appearance, and I was really pleased with the turnout, how it all turned out. And once I was through with that, left that dry really well. Then I went back and added some sheer gold ribbon to hang them with. Now, this ribbon I got from Amazon as well, and I went ahead and tied a knot at the bail part of it, and then tied a knot at the top as well. And it was a simple little project, but I think they turned out so pretty. I just love that patina look, and probably I may go back over it with a top coat of Extreme Guard Satin from Paint Couture, just to make sure that it's sealed. And so I think I have some individual pictures coming up, and if you like this project and think you might give it a try, drop me a note and let me know how it goes. And these are just beautiful. They also turn out very, very pretty with the air dry clay as well. But the detail on the mix to mold is just second to none. You just get such good detail. But it is fragile, so you have to be careful. And I hope you like this project. It was really fun to do. I hope you have a great day and know that God loves you. See you next time.